Hi there, it's Coach Richie coming to you from Rayleigh Field. Before we talk a little bit more, I'm going to introduce my team. Dennis, we have Dan, and we have Mr. Bender, Kevin Bender. Give him a big round of applause. So anyway, we are here because Coach Richie will be throwing out the first pitch on July 3rd at the Rivercats game, and I'm here to practice. And so I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy what we're doing today, and I hope you'll check our website, AmericanRiver.com, and see if you'd like to purchase some tickets before they run out, and you get to watch Dave Richie throw out the first pitch.
Good catch.